You're crazy. Nice and steady, mate, so that mister. Well, you're good on your brakes, mate, aren't you? Doing right good. Dog poo.
Did I go in?
No, you missed it. Right, pal. Oh no, miserable. On your brakes a bit, slow down a bit. Woohoo! That's a good lad. Just keep it at that speed, mate. You think, oh, I'm going a bit fast, and slow down a touch. Right, steady.
Go!
Steady. On your brakes a bit then. Start to feel like you're going a bit fast. Just slow it down a little bit. You've done good there, mate, well done. Bit bumpy here. Right, stop here now. Well done, my mate, high five. Well done, pal. Very good. Fucking daredevil, man. Will that go?
Where does this castle?
Oh, we'll just ride down and find out. Steady now, because it looks like a big... Whoa-hey! Whoa-hey! Right, there's some jumps here, look. Oh my god.
Animals. Shall I try and do it?
No! You'll end up hurting yourself, mate. It looks like they've dug a lot of holes.
Jumping! See?